Alright, what's going on, everybody? Hey, I'm just out walking around, checking out my new camera. I got a new Insta360 X3 360 degree full view camera. So I'm just going for a little walk right now, checking this thing out, see how the editing features work, and get ready for next season. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the back of the car, and instead of having some funky angles and stuff with, you know, the two GoPros I've been using, I got a 360 degree now. I can follow the car either if they're going ahead of me, or if I'm going ahead of them, I can just swing and pan the view, and it'll be much smoother, much better videos, racing videos, than what we had in the past. Because we are planning on doing a lot more racing this year, competitive racing, rather than just hitting testing tunes all the time. Though we are going to hit some testing tunes as well, but you know, the plan is let's get competitive at this point. Let's get the car dialed in on a number and do some competitive races. Be it, you know, we do a bunch of index racing, so we run, say, a 9.5 or a 9.0 class, or we do a bunch of bracket racing, which we just dial in, you know, whatever the car is doing that day. So we got, you know, we got a number of choices, what we're going to do and what we can do, and we'll just kind of go from there. So let's get this thing suction cup down to the car and do a cold start, and maybe just drive around a little bit and see what that kind of video looks like.